Hi, today I want to show you two new products, the SmartWatch and the Smart Wireless Headset Pro. These products are a part of our Smart Extras family. That means there are more than ordinary accessories, expanding the experience beyond the smartphone. With SmartWatch and Smart Wireless Headset Pro, we launched a new exciting SDK. We call it the Smart Extension SDK. This is SmartWatch. SmartWatch is a micro display that you connect to your Android smartphone using Bluetooth. It's just 8mm thick, and with an easy-to-wear wristband, SmartWatch makes it easy to stay on top of your life with just a tap, touch and a swipe. You can, for example, read all your latest text messages, emails and status updates. You can also see who's calling even when your phone's in the bottom of your bag. SmartWatch has a multi-touch display with a resolution of 128 by 128 pixels. It also has a built-in accelerometer, which can be accessed by an open API, available in the new Smart Extension SDK. If you're interested in extending your existing application to work with the SmartWatch, the Smart Extension SDK lets you do that in an easy way. As a developer, you then have the freedom to create all kinds of exciting use cases to combine the smartphone experience together with a smart second wearable display. This is the Smart Wireless Headset Pro, which is a multifunction premium Bluetooth stereo headset with a built-in standalone MP3 player and an FM radio. It also has exceptional audio quality. This smart headset also includes other cool features such as the option to get notifications, messages and emails read to you by text-to-speech. The Smart Wireless Headset Pro can also be used to handle notifications, messages, phone calls and so on. You can even call from the headset using the recent call list. Here are some of the guys behind these products explaining more.
What I think makes Smart Extra so interesting for developers is the extra dimensionality it adds to your application. You can now render part of your application or your entire application on an extra display, which is worn on your hand. It also makes it possible for the application to send notifications to the user in new contexts, like when you're out running or walking listening to music. The Smart Extension SDK is a new SDK that can be found on Developer Vault. It allows for third-party developers to implement one application that works with multiple accessories. The SDK includes everything you need as a developer to develop its smart extensions, such as tutorial, reference documentation and sample code. It even includes an emulator. The SDK lets the developer get something quickly up and running. It also gives the application extra edge and a unique selling point.
Well, essentially at first look it might look like a watch or a regular Bluetooth headset, for instance, but in reality it's something much more than that. Well, if we look at a device like this one here, for instance, the SmartWatch, this is not just a display unit, but it also sports an accelerometer inside and a touch screen, of course. For developers, this essentially means that they can go beyond just having an application in the phone to becoming a more full solution for them. So you have notifications, you have remote control capabilities, all that you can extend to this kind of devices, and you can have the phone in the pocket and the solution becomes much more complete, if you like. Well, we are seeing a range of different applications that could benefit from this kind of devices. First of all, I mean, if we're looking at the device as such, it could act as a notifier. So any application that is posting some kind of message like SMS or email could utilize this device. But we're also seeing new kind of applications, considering that we have touch screen and we have accelerometers, different kind of sensors in the device. You can actually start to be more creative what kind of applications you can use. Today we have a big open market. Android market, for instance, is huge today. You have so many choices as a consumer. For the developer, that is of course a challenge, being able to be seen on that market. The consumer will actually find these applications very easily because we have it inbuilt into the phones, control applications that allows you to search, find and even install these applications that is suitable for these kind of devices. So it's obvious that we will bring a new exposure for those applications that is adopted for these kind of accessories.